Good morning, happy Saturday, and welcome into a brand new vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a weekend in my life vlog, being productive, resetting the house and everything, because I'm leaving soon for vacation, so I'm trying to get my life together before I leave, so it's easier for me when I come back. But I got some packages because I did something crazy yesterday. Let me show you what I bought. I splurged on myself for this vacation and for this channel. Myself a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So now I can start using it after this clip, which I'm so excited about. I'm currently running some errands with my mom and we're going plant shopping, which I'm so excited about. It's like that time of the year where we start thinking about our garden and I'm very excited for it. First, we're gonna do a quick stop and get ourselves some matcha, and then I'm gonna bring you guys along for the flower and the plant shopping. Sunday and welcome back into a brand new vlog. Today is Sunday reset day, so I'm very excited to bring you guys along. And now, before having my breakfast, I'm gonna start a load of laundry, so while I enjoy my breakfast I can have something going on. So let's start. This is cleaning the floor. I just got started with the living room and everything looks so much better. I think being sunny outside makes it 10 times better. I put the new couch cushion on this. It's like a couch cushion cover. I had one already on this side, but I bought another one to make it like make sense and be equal, like 2 cushion on each side. This needs to be fixed because one of them is slightly higher than the other one. But other than that, everything is clean. This one is sunbathing. She's just like her mommy, really. I put some water in my plants, organized a little bit my snack section, which is actually only like popcorn and one of these organizer that you saw. This is so nice because it keeps the like chocolate and things so much more like longer. Then my dog toys, trash. I cleaned this area, which is like other snacks for when we watching movie, refill the movie and hanging out fridge. Then I put my new plants that I got yesterday here with like the cute little bow basket, and then I clean this whole area. And now I'm watching some YouTube vlogs. Yeah, everything is clean in this area. So now I'm gonna tackle the leftover of the laundry that is left. I tried to quickly get ready and tackle some stuff, so I made myself like a little cute braid to have the hair out of my face, and as you can probably tell, I'm onto my second load of laundry. I cleaned this area a little, like the kitchen table, and I love my new fruit tree in the house, so I put that there. Clean my office. Then this is where the mess is currently sitting. I clean all this part, which this I have to look through. This is like my travel stuff that it's already packed, and this is like the stuff for travel that I need to see if I'm packing or not, so I'm keeping that box here. But other than that, I refilled the humidifier, clean my nightstand. So I'm gonna relax a little bit on the couch, hydrate because I feel so thirsty right now, and while the vacuum cleaner finished doing its thing. And after, when my boyfriends arrive in like an hour or so, we're gonna tackle this part, which is the most daunting part. I'm quite hungry, but I'm having dinner in like an hour or so. So I'm gonna make myself a little low-calorie snack with oven roasted turkey breast, some Laughing Cow cheese, and a cucumber that I'm gonna slice and used up with like sea salt on it, and just have a like light, refreshing, hydrating snack before having dinner. I think tonight I'm gonna make steak for dinner because yesterday we had her first like barbecue of this season, even though there's still like snow outside, but we don't care. I love barbecue. It's like my favorite thing ever. So I think I'm gonna do like barbecue inspired like steak and salad to use up some veggies in the fridge, because we're leaving quite soon, I think in 16 days, and we have lots to do before, so trying to use up everything in my fridge and freezer before leaving. Are just immaculate in this room since I changed the lighting to some orange light bulbs. It's like truly amazing and like relaxing, golden hour looking. You can tell these are like very bright orange, and I love them so much. Oh, that's way too light. But yeah, I made myself a tea, and now I'm going to relax and read in bed and enjoy the rest of my Sunday evening. This is such a vibe. My tea, the orange lighting, it just is so nice. And my Kindle with like my engraved case with the book I'm trying to finish. It's like very good, but I have been in the biggest slumps lately. Like since last summer, I used to be a read a book in one sitting kind of person, but since last summer, I think like around June or July, I haven't read a book in one sitting, which is crazy to me. Like I said, because I used to be like read a book in one sitting, but now it's taking me so long to read a book. Like my head cannot wrap around that fact. But I'm 68% in my book right now, and it's 8:40, so I think I'm gonna have time to maybe finish it tonight and sleep, because I have a bright and early start for the week tomorrow. So I wanted to take a little bit of time to exit this vlog. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. I love you guys so much. Bye.